Hey, Zodiac. That poor tree. Is that not how it is? Gotta make sure pretty thing go nice. Dang. That's one deep shoot print. This is our lovely van, covered and completely in snow. Holy fuck, it's so fucking cold. It's retarded. I have to shovel this later again. It's getting filled with snow again. Okay. We'll keep YouTube updated. It's been over, it's going on 24 hours since power outage and the snowstorm. No heat, no nothing. It's really cold in the house. I think I caught a cold. Yeah, it's not fun. It's really, really cold. It's pretty bad when you gotta wear like 5 layers of clothing. Just make sure you're warm. It's not fun. We're getting into our Easter stuff that I bought because we can't cook or anything. We have no water, no nothing. I hope hydro people fix this problem soon because it's getting really, really, really cold, and it's not good when I have to travel and ask a friend to use their stove just so then we can make soup. It's not fun at all. Not fun at all. As you can see, there's 4 packs of Next king size for backup in case we run out of cigarettes. As you can see, the only heat source we have are my candles. It's 5 after 12. I'm starting to lose my voice now. Not fun. Not fun at all. We'll keep an update. There's my Toronto Maple Leafs hat I bought yesterday. Go Leafs, go. Okay, bye. Alright. It's, let me see, 1, 2, 3 minutes past 1 in the morning. Just 3 minutes ago, actually. Power came back on, as you can see. Our music is playing. We got coffee on. We heated up our soup. We got this. Full blast. Oh, that feels really nice. 500 degrees. Just to warm up the kitchen, living room until the heaters are good. Oh, super happy. Hey, Luna? You can't really see her because she's pitch black. Hi, Luna. Hi, sexy. Hi, Mina. Oh, yeah, Boda. Oh, hi, Luna. Hi, Tigger. Oh, Luna, you guys are coming out now that the music's on and you can feel the heat from the stove. Hey? Hey, Minans? Oh, yay. I wonder where the babies are. The baby's probably in my bedroom. Power's on. Power's on, Miracle. Hey, baby. Aw, hi, kitten. Hi, Luna. I'm here. Let me see, are there any little ones in my room? All your little ones are down there? Tell them to come out. Hi, Luna. Tell your babies to come out. Don't na. Oh, there's Kitten. Hi, baby. Yay! Now hopefully it'll stay on. I got like 3 shirts on, 2 pairs of pants. Yay! About 24 hours, man. Froze our asses off. Happy. Yay. Hello. It's a slight update since the storm. It's been like 2 weeks. And I'm still sick. I don't know how the videos are. I didn't check them yet. Sorry. Yeah, so lots of fun. I get better, then I get sick again, then I'm better, then I'm sick, and one thing after another. Yeah, that's fun. Plus some of it might be actually allergies, cause snow's pretty much gone. Don't believe me? Let's take a look. Puppy. Up, 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 up. Come on. And I think there's a storm at one point. So yeah, I have a bad hair day, I know. I didn't straighten it. Our pump is fucked. I didn't do my eyebrows. That's embarrassing. Sorry. Okay, yeah. Pump is messed up. But we're okay. And I'm sick. I'm starting to get better, so that's the update.